This brand is made in America and is a part of Daikin Global and is only sold through their dealer network in the USA. All of the units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. They have aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion and compressor sound blankets to lower noise levels. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide supplemental heating. The GPHH3 models are basic heat pumps for slab mounting with a 13.4 CR2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, while the GPHM3 units are field convertible from horizontal discharge to down air discharge for rooftop installations. They are relatively loud with an 80 decibel noise level, which is equivalent to an alarm clock. The GPHH5 models are basic single-stage heat pumps with a 15.2 CR2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency. The GPHM5 models are premium units that have a two-stage compressor. Both have a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HVAC Repair Guy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HVAC Repair Guy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HVAC Repair Guy YouTube channel.